Hello friends! Today we are in Lulu Mall and now I'm going to show you different varieties of fruits. These are fresh oranges and these are sweet lime. This is fresh orange. These are pears and these are dragon fruits. Fresh kiwis. And apples. Eat an apple a day, keep doctor away. These are mangoes. These are apples too. These are fresh apples. Ooh, these are avocados. Oh, dragon again. These are muskmelons. These are watermelons. And these are pineapples. There are so many varieties of fruits in Lulu Mall. Oh, this is jackfruit, so big. Grapes? Cool. I like grapes. Bye-bye, friends.